are the diamond in my heart. Baby, I don't want to hear about no one else. I swear that we'll never be apart.
Hey guys, it's Janet here and I'm back with another video. In this one, I'm just showing you how I braid my hair by myself. So perhaps it can help you if you're trying to braid your hair by yourself. I was going to talk throughout the entire video, but I really don't know how to explain, like how to hold the braid and all that. So I hope by showing you the video, you will see how I do it, because some people don't know how to like grab the roots, and there are different ways of putting the braids. Like you have some people who twist it or they roll the braid around the hair, and like there's so many ways of attaching the braids to your hair, but this is the way I do it. When you do it like that, like this doesn't slip off, like it cannot come off. No matter how much you pull it, it will not slide off or anything like that. So the first thing I do is I cut the braids. I did use 4 packs of dollar braid that I cut in 2. And here, as you can see, I'm just feathering it out on the both sides so I can have a nice thin end when I plait it all the way down.
Like stars that shine in darkness glows so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my light. My mystic being held by gravity. I almost let you hold me back from everything. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go. Oh, burning my fears now, stealing the power. I'll keep falling, falling. I'll keep falling, falling. I was gone hanging on the edge, but now I come back like a goddess, like a goddess. You shot my conscience, flew up to the sky. Are you still giving? But now I'd ask you why. Say I'm different. Let's
And this video is like the real deal. It's raw, it's brutal. You're going to see me yawning and stretching and all kind of thing, because I was exhausted, y'all, and I wasn't going to hide it. I cannot hide it when I'm tired. So that was late at night and I just couldn't help it. So this is it. I hope you do enjoy the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. So comment down below if it was somehow helpful, or if you need like a more detailed video. I can try to like show it better or slower if you all want. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful or not, so I will know if I can do another one. Until my next video, take care of yourself. Bye.
show what's running out, but I'm not desperate for your approval now. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go. Oh, burning my fears now, still in the power. I'll keep falling, falling. I'll keep falling, falling. I was gone hanging on the edge, but now like stars that shine in darkness glows so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my light. My